Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Tutorial Tuesday. In this episode, we will discuss the art of making the perfect plug while detecting a park or a well-manicured grass area, and why using the correct tools is so important. We will also be selecting a winner of last week's Would You Dig It giveaway contest, and at the end of this video, we will have another Would You Dig It giveaway contest. And both are for $25 Amazon gift cards. So let's get started. Before we dig any targets, we need to be prepared with the correct tools. And the correct tools to dig the correct plugs. And guys, we are only talking about a grassy park or a well-manicured grass area today, okay? Because everyone can detect a clay or muddy area and make it look like there's no trace when we're done, because all you got to do is stomp back on it and smooth it back out. However, if you're going to a really nice park with really well manicured grass and you're metal detecting, you don't want to leave holes or patches. We're talking about the respect that we give the ground and the people around us, right? And we're not going to be making plugs in a field that we know that they're going to have a soccer or a baseball event or a football event going on. We need to pay attention to those things. It's very important, because if we dig a perfect plug, we can be held liable when somebody is running in that field, hits on that plug that didn't heal correctly, trips and breaks a leg. You are liable. There's laws, guys, and legalities. So digging the perfect plug is not just about respect, it's respecting you and your pocketbook as well. So remember that, all right? It's CYA. If you guys don't know what that is, it stands for cover your ass, all right? Seriously. You don't want the liability or the headache from it. So guys, when we talk about the perfect tools, all right, my dad used a screwdriver for shallow targets. He would just pop them out of the ground with no problem, and no one would ever even know he was there. When I try that, I leave a big old scar in the grass. How he did it, I don't know. So each of us are slightly different than the other, right? So we have a skill set that somebody else may not have. So we have to figure it out on our own, our best method. And I find the best methods are having the correct tools. And if you have the correct tools, digging a plug is easy. So with my white little sod cutter shovel, whatever they call it, all right, it's got the little marks or little serrated grooves on it. And it helps me measure the depth. So my Equinox kind of gives me a guesstimate of how deep a target is. And I can kind of guess with that target based on what I think that target is. For instance, we know 2930s ring up normally a clad quarter, right? And in this particular video that I'm going to show you right now, that's exactly what I was targeting that day, was quarters. So my depth perception was spot on because I'm targeting quarters. Sometimes when you're targeting other targets or random targets, you don't know exactly what that target is. Of course, I didn't know that this target's exactly a quarter, but it was a logical guess, all right? So let's take a look at this video. I used one tool to extract this with, this quarter out of the ground with, and using the correct tool, I was able to make the perfect plug and replace it perfect, and it healed in 7 to 10 days as it normally would here in California. The winter months are a little bit different depending on the grasses, and wherever you're at, there may be dormant grass in the wintertime, and you need to stay focused in on that as well. Digging a perfect plug with those type of dry and conditions are a little bit different than what we're talking about now. So let's start off with the basics. Today we're going to dig the perfect plug in a nice grassy field. Let's take a look. right there, 6 inches down. So let's go one more notch. Oh, please just fall out of the hole easy. My back, I can't believe it. I've had such a strong back. I don't know. What the heck? Oh, and yes, it's sitting right there. Can you see it? All orangey. Right there. Okay. Run the detector over it before closing it back up. Nice and quiet. Like a glove. Like a glove. Okay. So guys, that was an easy extraction, right? Using the perfect tool to make the perfect plug made it so much easier to extract the target and leave no trace. Notice there was a couple of dirt clods that I left in there. Now I know my bad back at that time didn't allow me to clean that up with my hands, but I did smooth those dirt clods in with my feet, and I brushed up the grass in that area with my foot when I was done. Just a slight manicure to leave no trace. Just a little bit of effort makes a world of respect, guys. It does. It's a world of respect, just a little bit of effort. So guys, I want to take you over to JJ James's channel and show you the tools that he uses to extract a target and to make a perfect plug.
Fresh drop, I think. Lore's been here for a while. Okay. Yes, quarter. There we go. This signal. So I have iron. Right here. I have a good signal right here. I got a 6 right here, low tone. And then that high tone. So this was buried around about 3 or 4 targets. And I'm at recovery speed 5. And iron bias I think is 3. I just bumped it to 3. There's a lot of iron in here. Anyways. Let me see. Alright, let's stick this up. Kind of hard to pinpoint with all the trash around. Thinking it's right there. I think it said it was like 6 inches deep. Yeah, I'm gonna hit down there, so that's good. Could just be cloud. But it was buried around a lot of targets, so there's a quarter there. And I'm getting another hit down here. So let's see what this is going to be. Might be that iron. Oh, look at that. Okay. So, it's a nasty chunk. Piece of wire, quarter, come out pretty much the same plug. The quarter was more towards the front here. The iron was back here, but the detector heard it. Because I was able to separate targets, so that's pretty good.
So guys, I want to point out that JJ James used multiple tools to make the perfect plug and get a good extraction. The towel of respect for the soil goes a long way. It does. Not only is it easier to fill the soil back into the hole, but it also shows the people around you that you actually are caring about the ground. You're respecting them, you're respecting the ground. And JJ's use of those tools is exactly what I wanted to point out in this video. Using the correct tools to make the perfect plug to make it so much easier leaves no trace, guys. So guys, let's select the winner of last week's Would You Dig It? Alright guys, see if you can hear this. Let me turn it on to all metal. Alright, let's go this way. Would you dig it? Well, I just dug it and I put it back, so I do know what it is. Alright guys, would you dig it? And if you dig it, comment below and let me know what you think it is. And you have a chance of winning a $25 Amazon gift card. Oh, it's gorgeous out right now, guys. I'm getting cold though. I do have to get going. So, alright, let's dig this one up. You guys are gonna love this one. It took me a while because of the scoop. Alright. There we go. We got gold. So out of the hole it's ringing up a 16. Okay. And I found a few of these before similar to them. And I thought they were junk, but they're not, man. The one that I had rang up 14 karat gold. So I'm guessing this is gold. And I don't think it's gold filled, because if it's been down here in this garbage with all these nastiness and it's been sitting there, there's not a discoloration, you know what I mean? No like gold flaking off of it or anything. So alright guys, okay guys, we are going to select the Would You Dig It contest winner. Let's go to my TubeBuddy app, select pick a winner. Comment must contain words gold, oops, gold pendant. And congratulations, Digging Buddy. Congratulations, Digging Buddy. send me an email and I will send you out your $25 Amazon gift card. You can find my email in the About Me section on my channel page. Guys, I have another Would You Dig It episode. So let's check this one out. Alright guys, I got one for you. I'm in beach mode number 1. Beach mode number 1, right? I don't know if you guys can see that. Let's turn that up. Let's turn it to all metal mode. Alright, let's go 90 degrees. Alright, would you dig it? And what do you think it is? To be honest with you, I don't know what it is. I could give you my opinion, but it might change your mind, so... Alright, let's dig this up. Would you dig it? I dug it. Would you dig it? If you dig it, comment below and let me know. Would you dig it or would you not dig it? And what do you think it is? And the winner will receive a $25 Amazon gift card. Guys, I want to put some new rules in on this one. One guess. And you have to be specific. It could be multiple items in a hole. Or could be multiple items, right? But you only get one guess. Okay? If you give me multiple guesses, it will avoid all of your guesses. So, one guess. Alright? Guys, I want to thank JJ James for allowing me to use some of his content to make this video. Thank you, James, very much. Really appreciate it. And if you haven't checked out his channel name is JJ James. He is a great metal detectorist. If you look at his channel and look back at some of his old videos, he has used multiple detectors, guys. So browse through his channel. You will learn a lot from JJ James's channel, guys. And again, if you like my videos, click like. If you'd like to see more, consider subscribing, ringing this bell and receive all the notifications every time I release a new video, and check out either one of these videos.